Get the latest app features and security enhancements by installing macOS updates as soon as they're available. Here's how. Before you start, make sure your Mac is connected to the internet. It's also a good idea to back up your Mac with Time Machine. Ready? If you're using macOS High Sierra or earlier, open the Mac App Store and click the Updates tab. If you're using macOS Mojave or later, open System Preferences and click Software Update. Here, you'll see if you have any available updates. You can click More Info to see details and select specific updates to install. Updates will download and install automatically overnight by default if your Mac is plugged into power, including apps that were downloaded separately from the Mac App Store. To run an update immediately, click Update Now. This will download the updates to your Mac if needed, which might take a little while. In some cases, your Mac might have to restart to finish the installation. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the update. And when that's done, your Mac will be ready to go with the latest features.